Well, boys and girls, she's dead. Engine runs great still, obviously, but that transmission, it started whining about a week ago, and it was only when it was cold. Yesterday it started whining just a little bit more, obviously checking fluids. I had changed fluids in the transmission, and the fluids that came out of it were not good looking. They had a lot of issues, so it had a lot of fine metal shavings. That's what I meant to say. But today went and helped a coworker out with some electrical issues at his house. We rewired a 240 plug so he can use it in his garage. And as I was leaving, it started shuddering, and that noise wasn't just when it was cold. It started whining really loud at idle in park, and got here to AutoZone, and it's dead. Fluids are still plentiful, and she's dead. So have to keep an eye out for transmission. It's probably the last video you guys will see for a little bit until we get a transmission, or maybe I continue the transmission in on this video. But if I can do it, I'm gonna do something a little extra special with the transmission on this, so stay tuned. Well, it moved over here under its own power. Let's see if it's got enough to get up on the trailer. Well, she's up on there. Yeah, she's all strapped down. Thankfully had enough power, enough in that transmission left to get it up on the trailer on its own. For those of you who have not seen it, this is my trailer. It's a Southland trailer made in Canada. It's a really nice trailer. I really like it. I've used it quite a few times so far, and have really no complaints. Other than I wish the ramps were a little longer. But I think that's everybody's complaint when you got a flat deck trailer. So, sweet.